Hello, my name is Ricardo Iriarte, and I'm going to be talking about quantitative psychology. So, what is quantitative psychology? Quantitative psychology is the study of methods and techniques for the purpose of studying human attributes or measuring human attributes. We use statistical and mathematical modeling to measure psychological processes, and we design research studies and analyze psychological data. Quantitative psychologists are broken up into two subfields: psychometrics and mathematical psychology. Psychometrics studies different methodologies and has utility for the other fields of psychology because as the other fields ask themselves and develop more complex research questions, more complex methodologies are also going to be required to perform this research. By getting the help of a quantitative psychologist, a research psychologist is going to be able to set up their experiment to the form necessary to perform their research. Mathematical psychologists, also a field of quantitative psychology, create and interpret mathematical formulas to explain psychological processes. By looking at the APA website, one can see that quantitative psychology is the fastest growing field of psychology. When you look at cognitive and social psychology, there's about a 0.6 amount of jobs needed for every PhD that is awarded in those respective fields, while in quantitative psychology there's about 2.4 to 2.5 depending on what source you look. Job openings for every PhD awarded in quantitative psychology. There are also master's degrees that one could pursue in quantitative psych. One is looking to make about 55 grand if they decide to go into a public university. Numbers can go a lot higher if one is to go work for a private organization or the government. James Madison University is one of many universities you can attend for a master's degree in quantitative psychology. Most master's degree in quantitative psychology state that the intent for their program is to facilitate the application process for students to apply to a PhD program in quantitative psychology. For James Madison University, they require a satisfactory GPA and GRE scores, at least one stats class, and one research method course. If a student does not feel as though they are quite proficient in math, James Madison University states that is okay. The student can take psychology courses in math while at the university and studying their master's degree. They ask for 3 letters of recommendation, and their deadline is January 4th.